Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Zoom Share Screen. To share screen, click on the share screen icon. You can either share your screen, use a whiteboard, or share your iPhone or iPad if you have one connected. You can also view the advanced options if you want to use any of these other features. If you wish to share a video on your screen, select Share Sound and Optimize for a video clip. This will share your computer sound and improve the video quality shared. If you wish to just share an image, you do not have to click these options. If you have multiple monitors, you will be able to specify which screen to share. Also, if you have browsing windows open, you can choose to just share that one window instead of your screen. Make your selection, then click Share. Your Zoom options will convert to this menu list. While sharing, your menu will hide itself until you hover back over it. If you need to make notes on your screen, you can use the Annotate tool. The mouse option will allow you to move items on your screen without annotating. All of the other options will help you make notes on your screen. For example, you can use stamps to leave check marks on points you want to emphasize. You can also choose to save the image and send it to the student. Once saved, click on Show in Folder to find the image you saved. With this file, you can either email it to the student or upload it into the chat. Be sure to erase your annotations if you need to make more notes on other pages and send those files as well. To turn off annotations, simply click on the X icon on the right. Once you are done sharing your screen, click on the Stop Share button here.